So today we will be making a clear command for our music bot. As you know, this is part 7 of our music series. If you want a fully advanced music bot with a lot of awesome features like playlist, autoplay, search, and much more, you can visit my Patreon shop.
Before we move forward, I want to tell you about my Patreon page, which is a great place for all of you. On my Patreon, you'll get access to the source code for all my YouTube series and videos, available for just $5 or $10, it's up to you to choose. Then we also have my shop page, where you'll find advanced bot and dashboard code that I've personally written, all at very affordable prices. So, make sure to check it out, and don't forget to join our growing Discord coding community. It's full of developers from various backgrounds, and it's a place where you can help each other solve errors, share packages, and access tons of resources. The link is in the description.